Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as you can see here that basically in this lecture we are going to start our discussion over the plants in India. Okay, this is going to be our topic in this lecture. Okay, and basically we could say in this plants in India we will have a discussion over the different plants and their locations that we have in our country. Like we will start with the hydroelectric power plants, thermal power plants, nuclear power plants, solar power plants. And after all of this, we have a small summary of the contents that we will cover in this particular lecture. Okay. But before start this, there is a small disclaimer. And the disclaimer is the images used in a slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and the owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck, and you have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now, let's begin with the first type, that is the hydroelectric power plants in India. First is the Koyna hydroelectric project. It is one of the largest completed hydroelectric power plant in India. Project site is in Satara district near Patan, Maharashtra. The total capacity of project is 1960 megawatts. After this, we have the Hirakud Dam, opened in 1957, built across the Mahanadi River in the state of Odisha in India. Dam helps controlling the floods in the Mahanadi Delta and irrigates nearly about 75,000 square kilometers of land. The hydroelectricity is also generated from this power plant. Then we have the Idukki Dam, which got opened in 1973. It is a double curvature arc dam constructed across the Periyar River in a narrow gorge between the two granite hills locally known as Kuravan and Kuravati in Kerala. This dam is above 554 feet and 168.91 meters tall, one of the highest arc dams in Asia. Then we have Nagarjun Sagar Dam, opened in 1967. Built across the Krishna River at Nagarjun Sagar, which is between the Nalgonda district of Telangana state of India and Guntur district in coastal Andhra region of the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Thereafter, we have the Tehri Dam, which got opened in the year of 2006. It is the highest dam in India and having a multi-purpose rock and earthfill embankment dam on the Bhagirathi River near Tehri in Uttarakhand, India. After this, we have the Bhakra Dam. The Bhakra Dam, which actually opened in 1963 on Satluj River. It is located at a gorge near the upstream Bhakra village in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh at a height of 226 meters. It is receivers which is known as the Gobind Sagar. After this, we have the Sardar Sarovar Dam, opened in 2017. This dam is a gravity dam on the Narmada River near Navagam, Gujarat in India. 4 Indian states, mainly the Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan, they receive the water and electricity supplied from this dam. Then we have the Nathpa Jhakri Dam, which actually opened in 2004. It is a concrete gravity dam on the river Satluj in Himachal Pradesh, India. Primary purpose of the dam is to generate the hydroelectric power production and supplies nearly about 1500 megawatts underground power station with water. Sri Salim Dam, opened in 1981, constructed across the Krishna River in Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh, near Sri Salim Temple town, and it's the second largest capacity working hydroelectric station in the country. Now we have Indra Sagar Dam, actually opened in 2005. It is a multi-purpose project of Madhya Pradesh on the Narmada River at Narmada Nagar, Mundi in Khandwa district of Madhya Pradesh. Foundation stone of the project was laid by late Srimati Indira Gandhi, the former Prime Minister of India, on 23 October 1983. Then we have Pando Dam, opened in 1977. It is an embankment dam on the Beas River in Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh, India. After all of these, we have the Kali Nadi Nagihari hydroelectric power plant located at Kali Nadi River, Karnataka, India. Then we have Tista V Power Project. It is a run of the river scheme with diurnal storage to harness the hydropower potential of River Tista for peaking during the lean season and located in the state of Sikkim. The project comprises of 88.6-meter high concrete gravity dam. Then we have Bera Siul Power Station. It is a major step towards harnessing the hydroelectric potential in Himachal Pradesh. It envisages the utilization of combined inflow of three tributaries of Ravi River. And these tributaries are Bera, Siul, and Balet for the generation of power on run of the river basis. The project headquarter is at Surangani. Okay. Then we have the Salal Dam. Salal Dam, also known as Salal Hydroelectric Power Station, opened in 1987. It is run of the river power project on the Chenab River in the Reasi district of Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. Then Machkund Dam. Machkund Hydroelectric Power Project located near Duduma Falls on Manchkut River between the Andhra Pradesh and Odisha border. It is collaborative project of Government of Andhra Pradesh and Government of Odisha. Balimela Hydroelectric Power Plant located at 35 kilometers from Malkangiri, Odisha, India. Infrastructure is a type of hydropower plant with a design capacity of 510 megawatts. It is operated by Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited (OHPC). After this, Subarnarekha Hydroelectric Power Plant located at 30 km northeast of Ranchi, Jharkhand, India. Then Loktak Power Station, multi-purpose storage scheme to harness the hydropower potential of Loktak Lake, which is actually fed by Khuga and Imphal River, located in Chura Chandpur district of Manipur. Rangeet Hydroelectric Power Project Stage 3. Run of the river power project on the Ranjit River, major tributary of the Tista River in the South Sikkim district of northeastern Indian state of Sikkim. Bansagar Dam, multi-purpose river valley project on Son River, situated in the Ganges Basin in Madhya Pradesh, India, with both having the irrigation and 435 megawatt of hydroelectric power generation. Uri Dam, 480 megawatt hydroelectric power station on the Jhelum River near Uri in Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir region, administered by India. Located very near to the line of control or LOC in short, and it is the de facto border between the India and Pakistan. After the hydroelectric plants, now we have the thermal power plants in India. First is Singrauli Super Thermal Power Plant. It is located at Shakti Nagar in Sonbhadra district in India, state of Uttar Pradesh. Power plant is the first power plant of NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. Sources coal from Jayant and Bina mines and water from Rehand Receiver. Then we have NTPC Ramagundam. It is a part of National Thermal Power Corporation. It is the 2600 megawatt power station situated at Ramagundam in Pedapalli district in the Indian state of Telangana. It is the current largest power station in South India. Then we have National Capital Power Station NCPS or NTPC Dadri. The power project to meet the power demand of National Capital Region NCR India has a huge coal-fired thermal power plant and a gas-fired plant and having a small township located in Uttar Pradesh. Then Talcher Thermal Power Plant Station located at Talcher subdivision of Angol district in Indian state of Odisha. The power plant is one of the coal-based plants of NTPC. Korba Power Station or Korba Super Thermal Power Plant located at Jamnipalli in Korba district in the Chhattisgarh. The power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of National Thermal Power Corporation. The Vidyanchal Thermal Power Plant located in Singrauli district in the state of Madhya Pradesh, one of the coal-fired power stations of NTPC. It is the largest power station in India with having the installed capacity of 4,760 megawatts. Farakka Super Thermal Power Plant located at Nabarun in Murshidabad district in Indian state of West Bengal. Power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of NTPC. Mundra Thermal Power Station or Mundra Thermal Power Project located at Mundra in Kutch district in the Indian state of Gujarat. The power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of Adani Power Limited. Saipat Super Thermal Power Station, also called as Rajiv Gandhi Super Thermal Power Station, located at Sipat in Bilaspur district in the Indian state of Chhattisgarh. The power plant, one of the coal-based power plants of NTPC. Rehan Super Thermal Power Project located at Renukut, Sonbhadra in Sonbhadra district in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The power plant, one of the coal-based power plants of NTPC Limited. Vedanta Jharsuguda Power Station. Coal-based thermal capacitive power plant located near Jharsuguda town in Jharsuguda district in the state of Odisha. Power plant is operated by Vedanta Resources. Tiroda Thermal Power Station. Coal-based thermal power plant located at Tirura in Gondia district, Maharashtra. The power plant is operated by Adani Power. Then, Anpara Thermal Power Station. Located at Anpara in Sonbhadra district in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It is about 180 km from Varanasi on Varanasi Shakti Nagar route, having the total power generation capacity of 3,830. Then we have Baruni Thermal Power Station. It is an existing 360 megawatt coal-fired power station owned by the Bihar State Electricity Board. The power station located at Begusarai district in Bihar, India. Then Bellary Thermal Power Station located in Kudatini village, Bellary district in the Indian state of Karnataka. Two coal-fired units of 500 megawatts each are in operation with generating capacity of 12 million units per day and a 700 megawatt coal-fired unit with operation. Then Durgapur Steel Thermal Power Station. Coal-based thermal power plant located near Durgapur city in the Bardhaman district in the Indian state of West Bengal. Power plant operated by Damodar Valley Corporation. Thereafter, Sikka Thermal Power Station. It is Gujarat's one of the coal-fired power station located near Jamnagar, which is the major industrial town in Gujarat. Satpura Thermal Power Plant, located at Sarni town near Goradongri railway station in Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. Power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of MP PGCL. Wanakpuri Thermal Power Plant Station, coal-fired power plant station in Gujarat, India, located on the bank of Mahi River in Kheda district. 7 units of each, 210 megawatts capacity. Obra Thermal Power Plant Project, 1288 megawatts coal-fired power plant set by Uttar Pradesh Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam at Kanpur district in Uttar Pradesh. Udupi Power Plant is a coal-based thermal power plant station in Karnataka, established in 2008. Located to the north of Mangalore, having the installing capacity of 1200 megawatt. Plant became fully operational in September 2012. Simadri Super Thermal Power Plant. It is a coal-fired power plant located in Visakhapatnam district of Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Power plant is one of the coal-fired power plants of NTPC, a government of Indian enterprise. Chhabra Thermal Power Plant, one of Rajasthan's coal-fired power plants located at Chauki Motipura of Tehsil Chhabra in Rajasthan's Baran district. Planned capacity of power plant is 2320 megawatts. Bokaro Thermal Power Station, BTPS, located at Bokaro district in Jharkhand. First unit was commissioned in March 1986. The station is located on the banks of Konar River near Bokaro A Thermal Power Plant Station. Entire power generated by the plant supplied to the DVC network. Sanjay Gandhi Thermal Power Plant, situated at Umaria district of Madhya Pradesh, the power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of MP PGCL. Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station, thermal power plant located in Chandrapur district in the Indian state of Maharashtra. Power plant one of the coal-based power plants of Mahagenco. NSPCL Bhilai Power Plant, coal-fired captive power station at Bhilai in Durg district of Chhattisgarh, India. Power station owned and operated by NSPCL. It is the 50-50 joint venture company of NTPC Limited and SAIL to generate the power for captive purposes of various steel plants owned by SAIL. The Mettur Thermal Power Plant Station, coal-fired electric power station located in Salem district of Tamil Nadu, operated by the Tamil Nadu Generation and Distribution Corporation Limited. Patrata Thermal Power Station, coal-based thermal power plant located near Patratu town in Ramgarh district in the Indian state of Jharkhand. Power plant operated by the Jharkhand State Electricity Board. Rosa Power Plant, 1200 megawatt of coal-based generation capacity at Rosa village in Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Power plant is being developed in 2 stages, with first stage already having become commercially operational on 12 March 2010. Shri Singhaji Super Thermal Power Project, coal-fired power plant located near Dongalia village nearby the Mundi of Khandwa district in Madhya Pradesh. The project is owned by MP PGCL Madhya Pradesh Power Generating Company Limited. Ukai Thermal Power Station of Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Limited, India. Power station with an installed capacity of 850 megawatt. It is one of Gujarat's major coal-fired power plants located on the bank of Tapi River. Kaparkheda Thermal Power Station, located in Nagpur district in the Indian state of Maharashtra. The power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of Mahagenco. Gandhinagar Thermal Power Station, coal-fired power station in Gujarat, located on the bank of Sabarmati River near Gandhinagar. Amarkantak Thermal Power Station, situated at Anuppur district of Madhya Pradesh, India. Power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of MPPGL. Then, Ratan India Amravati Thermal Power Project is a coal-based thermal power plant located in Nandgaon Pet village in Amravati district, Maharashtra. Power plant operated by the Ratan India Power Limited, formerly Indiabulls Power Limited. Then we have the Ennore Thermal Power Station, coal-based power plant located in Chennai, Ennore, Tamil Nadu, constructed to serve the purpose of energy generation in the year 1970, one of the 4 major thermal power plants of Tamil Nadu established by Tandenko. Feroz Gandhi Unchachar Thermal Power Plant Station located at Unchachar in Raebareli district of Uttar Pradesh. Power plant is one of the coal-based power plants of India, NTPC Limited. National Capital Thermal Power Plant, referred as the Dadri Power Station, it is 1820 megawatts coal and gas-fired power station in Uttar Pradesh, India. Hirakud Power Plant in Hirakud, Sambalpur district of Odisha. Power plant operated by Hindalco Industries. Kota Thermal Power Plant Station, Rajasthan's first major coal-fired power plant located on west bank of Chambal near Kota. Kali Singh Thermal Power Station, Jalalpur district, Rajasthan, state in western India. Power plant operated by Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited. Now we have the nuclear power plants in India. First is Narora Atomic Power Station, located at Narora, Bulandshahr district in Uttar Pradesh. Rajasthan Atomic Power Project, located in Narawat Bhatta in North State of Rajasthan, currently has 6 pressurized heavy water reactor units operating with a total installing capacity of 1180 megawatts. Kakarapur Atomic Power Station, nuclear power station in India, lies in the proximity of city of Vaira in the state of Gujarat. Consists of 2 20 megawatt pressurized water reactor with heavy water as a moderator. Then Khega Generating Station, nuclear power generating station situated at Khega near the river Kali in Uttar Kannada district of Karnataka. Plant has been operational since March 2000 and operated by the Nuclear Power Corporation of India. Kundankulam Nuclear Power Plant, single largest nuclear power station in India, situated at Kundamkulam in Tirunelveli district of southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Construction on the plant began on 31st March 2002, being developed by the Nuclear Power Corporation of India. Madras Atomic Power Station at Kalpakkam, about 80 kilometers south of Chennai, India. Comprehensive nuclear power production, fuel processing and waste treatment facility that includes. Tarapur Atomic Power Station, located at Tarapur, Palghar, Maharashtra, India. Jaitapur Nuclear Power Station, proposed 9,900 megawatts power project of Nuclear Power Corporation of India at Madhban village of Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra. Then Gorakhpur Nuclear Power Plant at Gorakhpur, Haryana, Anu Vidyut Pariyojana. Proposed nuclear power plant near the Fatehpur district of Haryana. Foundation stone of 2,800 megawatt nuclear power plant was laid on 13 January 2014. Kovakad Atomic Power Project, purpose 6,600 megawatt nuclear power station in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Then the purpose NPP at Mithivirdi will be set up in Talaja Taluk, Bhavnagar district, Gujarat, 40 kilometers from Bhavnagar. Then Banswara Thermal Power Station in Rajasthan, RV Utpadan Nigam Limited. Chatka Nuclear Power Plant is purpose nuclear power plant to be built on 1,200 acres area near Chutka village of Mandla district of Madhya Pradesh. Charanka Solar Power Plant being built on 2,000 hectare plot of land near Charanka village in Patan district, Gujarat. Wellspun Solar Power Plant, 515 megawatt near Jawad Tehsil of Neemuch district, Madhya Pradesh. Mahagenko Power Plants having the investment of 11,000 million at Yavatmal district, Maharashtra. Green Energy Development Corporation of Odisha has been incorporated under the Companies Act 1956 as a public limited company on 18th April 2013. Tata Solar Power Plant, India's largest specialized solar power plant, EPC, successfully commissioned the 50 megawatt solar photovoltaic project for NTPC, the 50 megawatt flagship in Rajgarh, Madhya Pradesh, largest Indian solar project to domestically manufacture solar modules. Welspun Energy Limited, Rajasthan solar project, as we had covered. Thereafter, now we are talking about the solar power plants. First is the Bhitta Solar Power Plant at Bhitta village, Gujarat. Dhirubhai Ambani Solar Power Park at Dhusar village near Pokhran in Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan. 40 megawatt photovoltaic power station commissioned in 2012. Kurnool Ultra Mega Solar Park is a solar park in Panya Mandal of Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh. Kamuthi Solar Power Plant, solar power park in state of Tamil Nadu, India. Bhadla Solar Park is one of the largest solar parks in Bhadla, Palodi Tehsil, Jodhpur district, Rajasthan. Sakri Photovoltaic Solar Energy Project is 125 megawatt solar photovoltaic power plant. The project was developed by Mahagenco in Shivaji Nagar in Sakri Taluk of Dhole district of Maharashtra. Banasura Sagar Dam floating solar power plant is India's largest ever floating solar power plant in Kerala, built on Banasura Sagar Reserve in Wayanad. Then Pavagadh Solar Park in Pavagadh Taluk, Timukur district, Karnataka. So here we have finished our topic. Now it's a time for summary part. So basically we have seen the Koyna hydroelectric project, Hirakud Dam in terms of hydroelectric power plants, Idukki Dam, Nagarjun Sagar Dam, Tehri Dam, Bhakar Dam, Sardar Sarovar, Nathwa Jhakri, Shri Salem, Indra Sagar Dam and Pando Dam. Other notable projects that we have seen, these are Bali Mela hydroelectric power plant, Subarnareka hydroelectric power plant, Loktak power station, Rangeet power station, Bhansagar, Uri Dam. After this, in thermal power plant stations, we have seen Singrauli, NTPC Ramagundam, National Capital Power Station, Dadri. Talcher Thermal Power Station, Khurba Thermal Power Station, Vindhyanchal Thermal Power Station. Then we have seen Farakka Super Thermal Power Station, Mundra Thermal Power Station, Sipat Super Thermal Power Station, and thereafter we have seen Rehan Thermal Power Station, Vidant Thermal Power Station, Thiroda Thermal Power Station. Then we have seen Anpara Thermal Power Station, Barauni Thermal Power Station, Durgapur Thermal Power Station, Satpura Thermal Power Station, Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station, Mittur Thermal Power Station, Rosa Power Plant, Ennore Thermal Power Plant, Kota Thermal Power Plant. Please. Then nuclear power plants we have seen Narora, Rajasthan Atomic Power Project, Kakra Atomic Power Project, Khega Generating Station, Kundankulam Nuclear Power Plant, Madras Atomic Power Station, Tarapur Atomic Power Station, Jaitapur Nuclear Power Project, Gorakhpur Nuclear Power Plant, Kovakad Atomic Power Station, Mithivardi Nuclear Power Plant, Chutka Nuclear Power Plant, Banswara Thermal Power Station. In solar power plants, we have seen Charanka Solar Park, Welspun Solar Park, Mahagenco Solar Park, Green Energy Development Corporation of Odisha Limited, Tata Power Solar, Welspun Energy Solar Project, Beta Solar Power Plant, Dhirubhai Ambani Solar Park, Kurnool Ultra Mega Solar Park. Then Kamuthi Solar Park, Bhadla Solar Park, Sakri Photovoltaic Project, Banasura Sagar Dam Floating Solar Power Plant that was, and Pavagada Solar Park. So here we have seen the important parks, important plants and all in the country of India. Kindly revise all the facts and figures that all we have discussed in this lecture and be ready for the next lecture. With this note, let's end this lecture and thank you.